Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Dragon Keep, and welcome to another YouTube video. I know it's been a while, but I had to take a break. Anyway, most of you know that I'm a My Hero Academia fan, and also a weeb. But watching My Hero Academia had me thinking, what if Overhaul gave Deku a quirk? Now, this is in fact a My Hero Academia based video. So if you don't know what My Hero Academia is, then get out. Then why are you watching this video? Anyway, also I want to inform you this is a what if scenario. So don't go in the comments saying, oh, this doesn't support the timeline at all. Of course it does. It's supposed to support the timeline. That's the point. I need help. Anyway, let's begin. Now, this timeline starts out normally, but the trouble begins when Deku rushes towards the slime monster to save Bakugo. Unknowing to him is in the crowd are two specific people, Overhaul and his boss at the time, the boss. I don't know why it's called anyway. Overhaul tries to convince the boss to let him in, but the boss refuses, saying that this kid doesn't seem to have the potential. Outraged, Overhaul then proceeds to do what he would do forward from the timeline in canon. For those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, it means putting the boss in a coma, making him the boss, and recruiting the 8 precepts of death. Now, further on, during Bakugo's rant with Deku, one of the 8 precepts of death, the big strong person, the really big muscle guy, I can't remember his name, Kappa, I don't know, let me know in the comments down below. Anyway, he then knocks this, I'm not even gonna stress it, but this super muscle guy then kidnaps then knocks out Deku and puts him in a duffel bag. Bakugo tries to dismantle the muscle guy, but finds out that the muscle guy is too strong for the Bakugo right now. Bakugo then gets knocked out and severely injured. Soon after that, the muscle guy disappears along with Bakugo. No, not along with Bakugo, along with Deku. Now, a couple of minutes later, All Might appears, and he sees Bakugo lying on the floor heavily injured. He rushes over and takes him to the hospital. Once Bakugo wakes up, All Might sees All Might. Realizing that he could be the only person to save Deku, he tells him about his kidnapper. A few minutes later, Deku awakens and sees Overhaul and his supposed daughter. Notice how I put quotation marks on supposed daughter. That cute one-horned Aerie. Oh, she is adorable. And if you don't believe that, I got something for you. I can't show you because this video might get demonetized. Anyway, where was that? Oh yeah. Overall then asks Deku why he didn't use his quirk. Deku then replies, telling him that he doesn't have one. Overhaul is in even more shock that a guy without a quirk would risk his life to save somebody else against a person who does have a quirk, which is a very ugly slime monster. He then thinks about it and says, "Kid, you're in luck. I specialize in science. What if I told you I can give you a quirk?" Deku calmly accepts. A couple of hours go past, and All Might finally shows up in the building where Overhaul precisely is ruling. Technically. Anyway, he then asks where Deku is. Confused, he says, "What? Oh, you mean Ryu." Then All Might gets confused. What? Overhaul then tells All Might that he how do I say this? He gave Deku a very cool quirk that kind of combines his mother's and father's quirk. What is it, you may ask? Well, I'm running out of time. So, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to pause the timeline right now. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, then boom! Slap that like button across the face. See you next one. Laters.